What is up, YouTube? This Mr. King coming at you live for part 2 of the video. So you're going to be finishing this model of how you get from a cocoa bean and a almond tree into a chocolate bar. Remember to include arrows, labels for the arrows, and an explanation of what's going on. And then I'm looking for biotic and abiotic things in this photo. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to the Cornell Notes template. Here are the notes we're going to be taking today. Please put your name on it and the title. So today we're going to learn about Infinity War. We're going to be going over, was Thanos right? Was he actually right? Was he justified? We're going to talk about that. If you guys haven't seen Infinity War, I highly recommend you give it a try. So after you finish the model, this is what we're going to be learning about today. Overpopulation. So you haven't seen the movie, Thanos is trying to slay half of the universe because he thinks that the universe is overpopulated. Resources are finite or limited, so eventually people are going to start killing each other for resources, and he's trying to stop that all from happening. He doesn't want an all-out war, so he's trying to stop it by killing half the universe so we don't have to fight for resources. I'll show you guys a clip from the movie. So if you guys didn't catch that, basically Thanos is from a place called Titan, which was very similar to Earth, and he proposed that we kill half of our population so people aren't starving, so they're not dying of lack of water and resources. He's saying that we should just randomly kill half the population so we don't have to fight for resources anymore. But they thought he was crazy. They didn't think that they were overpopulated, and he's last Titan because they had like a nuclear war, and he's trying to avoid that. So we're going to talk about, is Earth actually overpopulated? So remember, left side, teacher, the words on the screen, right side, give me an example or picture. So first off, overpopulation. Many believe that Earth is becoming overpopulated and most of our resources are being overused and depleted. And especially Americans, we consume too much and other species are being affected. And scientists are starting to believe that if we don't find solutions to combat overpopulation and the misuse of our planet, we may see a mass extinction in the future. So I know that was a lot. I want you to try and summarize that, all three things, into one sentence. So pause the video and try and summarize it. I'm going to do it here. Earth is overpopulated and we need a solution so we don't run out of food and water where we need to live. And then for a picture or an example, I'm just going to get a picture from the internet. Overpopulation. These fish are overpopulated, sure. I don't have to do people. Okay. Next thing. Carrying capacity. This is the max number of individuals a population can have. So to find the carrying capacity, it's not the very tip of a graph, but it's a little bit below. It's wherever the population can sustain the max an environment can hold. So carrying capacity is like the environmental limit. And then limiting factor. This is like your Thanos.